Into the corridors of justice now. The widow of the late former Juja Legislator George Thuo has urged the court to consider that her husband did not die of natural causes when sentencing the 6 convicts found guilty of his murder. The defense counsels had pleaded with the court to consider treating their clients as victims of circumstances. Trial Judge Roselyn Korir has set the 21st of June as the date when she will pronounce her ruling of the number of years the convicts will serve behind bars.
Judy Thuo wants the killers of her husband to pay for their actions.
For 10 years I have come to this court, my brothers and sisters, so that we can have closure. We have remained for 7.5 years, and we have not from the grave. And that is not right.
She has asked the court to take into consideration the circumstances under which the former Juja lawmaker lost his life when it finally sentenced the 6 convicts on 21st June this year. The defense has, however, pleaded for leniency with the lead counsel, Dr. John Kaminwa, arguing that the 6 were victims of circumstance.
Whatever role Paul Wanaina played technically in the death of his friend Honorable Thuo must have been very minimal.
He is simply a victim of geography and time. That at some point in time, he sat on a particular table. That's all that puts him in the circumstances he finds himself today.
Justice Korir on April convicted club owner Paul Wainaina Boyo, Thuo's aide Christopher Lumbasio Andika, Andrew Karanja Wainaina, Samuel Kuriangugi, Esther Ndinda Mulinge, and a waiter Ruth Watahi Irungu over the death that took place at Pokey's Club in Thika over a decade ago. Thuo was found dead and upon medical examination was found to have taken a poisonous drink which had been put into his beer. And a Kiambu law court has given the go-ahead a prayer by a homicide DCI officer to detain a police officer for 14 days at the Kiambu police station pending investigations over the murder of a U.S. embassy staff shot dead in the wee hours last Sunday outside a Kiambu club.
And it is only prudent that he be detained for that time, when we are very sure we shall be coming back with a very conclusive report.
Through an affidavit made by CPA Ruben Mwaniki from the DCI headquarters before Kiambu Magistrate Wanjiru Nganga is sought to be given orders to detain the officer. Dennis Mwai Irungu is the prime suspect in the murder of Anthony Njomo Kiono. Now, this is noting he needed time to gather more evidence and witnesses to be included in the case.
A life was lost. It is for these reasons and in the interest of justice I am satisfied that the application dated the 28th May 2024 has merit and is therefore allowed as prayed.
Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.